Today, I'll introduce the 3T Mini Excavator. Human-centered design, beautiful and sturdy body, comfortable cockpit, reduced operator fatigue, and higher efficiency. "360-degree rotation eliminates blind spots. Its smooth boom and stick movements enable it not only to perform powerful digging, but also to complete delicate tasks such as leveling and laying. A robust hydraulic system and structural stability transform your excavator into a more versatile and stable platform. Zero-tail swing masters confined spaces. Efficiency and flexibility right here.